Hey guys, welcome again. We keep on going here on the walking around the wheel. You have no idea how difficult it is for a reflector to stay focused on something. It took me, I don't know, 2 years to get to this place, finally finish it. And my computer always goes everywhere. So it's really funny to see, if things are working and they don't work half of the time. So I'm happy this works and it's being recorded and we're doing something here. So super grateful that people can, learn from this. There's very little about incarnation crosses, and I would like to do this as a sort of test to get into my groove, to do my thing. So here we go. 5-1. Individualism. My brother's individualism. He always put the shit with other people like that. Yeah, boom, there's the stress. Yeah, there it goes. Very funny. This is one of my favorite bizarre delicious crosses, and we get to the left angle cross of individualism. This is the ultimate freak cross, the ability to preserve individual integrity. Well, when you're dealing with the left angle cross of individualism, they have their own maya. They have their own maya. You don't belong to it. You really don't. Nobody belongs to it. And as a matter of fact, they're so individual that they assume that everybody should be like them. They are impossible. This is the line of alienation. It's like me, a freak. I'm also a freak. You come into my world and you sit in front of all these straight people and you say, look, give it up. Be freaky. Give it up. It's really good to be freaky. And they say, well, I'm straight. And you say, I know the freak. I'm a freak. And you say, I know, be freaky. And they say, yeah, I'm straight. And they can't help it. And they say, that's a real problem you have there. And the left angle cross of individualism is so funny because they're wandering around in the world and they wonder what happened evolution because the world doesn't operate the way they should. And it's very frightening because these beings don't just come in with a cross, they come within a design. So, whatever their design is, that's supposed to be the pattern of the world. And everybody's supposed to be like this. And then they wonder why they're alienated. Nobody is like them. Nobody's in their right mind would want to be like them. The stage in opposition when one is totally isolated. What underlies the heretic is that the heretic is always totally alone. You're isolated as a heretic. You have to be isolated as a heretic. Otherwise, you bring nothing different. Are you isolated yet? The thing about these beings is that many of them will incarnate and not have enough individuality in their characteristics. And they end up being very disturbed people because their crosses are freaky. This is a very old line. If you go from the 38 in Cancer to the 30 to from the 39 in Cancer to the 38 in Capricorn, you're actually following the trajectory of our solar system in space towards the center of our galaxy. Cancer